Hi, Ivan. Are you
Hi.
reading a book today?
No.
What are you doing?
Like I have a 1,000-piece puzzle right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the picture, and we're going to glue it onto a frame.
Okay, glue it and make it into frame. You're going to show your friends how to glue a puzzle and put it onto a frame?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So there are lots of places. Do you know any places in this?
Some, and
Mm-hmm. We should know all these places. These are
famous places.
all the famous places.
This is the other one that
Statue of Liberty. Yes.
Statue of Liberty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot this one.
You forgot all of them, right?
Yeah. And the Great Wall of China.
Yes, you have been when you were 9 months old. You went to Great Wall of China. You know that?
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah.
It says pizza.
I think you should be knowing this one.
I forgot that one too.
Okay, let's do a cheat code then. Shall we do that? So these are all the places that we are seeing here. So can you spot that?
Where are they? They're up or down on your voice.
Where is that gone? I don't see it.
Oh, okay. Great.
Yeah, Egyptian pyramids, the Great Sphinx.
Oh, and then where's that one?
Which one are you searching for? The Great Wall of China, Statue of Liberty.
Do you see it?
Okay, this is a good one to learn all the places. There are other puzzles also with this. We just remove your hand. Yeah, there are other 1,000 puzzles.
Oh, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's one. And then
What?
there's a Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yeah, but there's something on here.
There's a stamp. Okay, let's see how to glue it. So today we are going to make this puzzle into a frame. So we can either buy this Elmer's glue or Mod Podge. So this glue is very good to make a frame. So we'll see how it is done. Move from the. So you just pour it. And then frame it. Go it on. So today Ivan's brother is helping him out to do this. Go get one more brush too if you want to do.
Oh, okay.
Here it is.
Okay.
So you just have to, So you just have to pour the glue onto the frame, onto the puzzle, and then join them up. And leave it there for one day, and then you can change it into a.
Like this?
No, the sponge brush. Is there no brown sponge brush here?
Yeah.
That's fine. So we'll come back after the glue is poured. So all we have to do is go on pouring and brushing. Make sure you pour it on all of them. And then when it's done, you can put it in a frame like this. So you can make good frames. This is one of the frames which his brother has done earlier. And we can also do one thing. We can remove one of the puzzle piece and write our name inside it. And we have to find that piece. So that Ivan, can you put it there and stick it up?
Stick it?
On any one white screen you can stick. Anywhere. Joe, close your eyes. Put it on some white piece. Yeah, so that will be stuck. And Ivan has to come and find. Come, Ivan, find out where your name is. Don't find it so easily. I know you saw it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, then find out where's your name in the puzzle.
This is the easiest one.
Yeah.
Can I get to do it?
Yeah, you can give it to him. Okay, we come back. So this is how it is done basically. You can get these frames in Dollar Tree or in other stores like Burlington. We got this from Burlington.